Hi, I'm John Payne. I'm Miniature Mansions. We produce high quality dolls houses for the top end of the dolls house market. I started 40 years ago making architectural models. From there I went into films. One of my many projects whilst working in film was working on the Harry Potter Hogwarts, designing and building whatever was required by the art department for each new film. My role in this project has been to try and make some of the model as best I can, when I can, but just generally running around making sure that everybody's got the materials they need, the information they need, and then making the executive decisions of what is and what is not going to be in there. The way I approach any model, whether it's a doll's house or something for the film, is you have to break it down into its individual parts. So you can then work out exactly what needs to go where, how you're going to do it, how long it's going to take. So I'll just take each individual section bit by bit and work through it. The hardest thing about any project with a doll's house that is a real property is making the floor layouts, the rooms, all exactly the same as they would be, and making it as a doll's house. And the scale of this one is a bit of an odd scale. It's 16.58, which means everything has to be made exactly for it. Taps on the baths, all the furniture, it all has to be handmade. The main thing with our doll's houses and any project we undertake is to make sure that we get the best detail possible. The detail we've gone to is all the floorboards are individually cut. We take a strip of lime, strip it down to the right thickness, cut it to length, and then it's all glued down, and it's really time consuming, but at the end of it, once it's been stained and polished, it really looks the business. The lights are all LEDs. We needed to make a slot for every cable, and they will be covered up by the wooden flooring. To get the highest level of detail is to have the best team you can have around you. And on this particular project, I've had a fantastic team. I've got 4 model makers with me. Chris has been making the carcass because of his background in cabinet making. We have Dan, who is an excellent all-round model maker, and he's made the windows and all sorts of bits and pieces. John Lee is in charge of all the decorating, so all the finishes have been down to him. Chris Lloyd, making the furniture, has done a fantastic job. A lot of it was handmade, but also using modern technology of laser cutters and CNC routers. The whole model itself has turned out to be fantastic. I'm really pleased with the way it looks, and the detail is second to none. I'm really proud of what we've produced.